Hi guys, it's me, Chris, Versatile Life here. We got the cameraman back there, Ashley. Say hi.
Camera girl. Hi.
Today we're going to be talking about top 7 things you could do in quarantine to not get crazy bored. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Oh, sorry guys. Well, this leads me into our first point. Now obviously this is not a book for copyright reasons, but the first thing to do is read a book. A book gives you a completely different perspective from a video because it forces you to and visualize about the characters, the scenes, the themes, and the whole settings of the story. Which is why it could be a good thing to do if you're just getting bored of binge watching.
Alright, so my second point is to learn a new skill. So as you can see here by this by this recording, I'm learning how to edit in Adobe Premiere Pro, my new editing software. I'm stepping away from iMovie and KineMaster, which I have previously used, and stepping into slightly more advanced editing to try and up the video quality for you guys. So as you can see, I'm still learning, so it's not going perfectly well, but I am slowly getting better. Adobe is a very advanced editing software and allows me to do a couple new features like much more advanced keyframes, as you can see here, and much more advanced text, more slots to put in video and audio clips, advanced audio settings, and much better color correction than what I've been doing in KineMaster.
Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my room. So for, you know what, no. Montage time.
Okay, so the third thing you can do in quarantine is drawing. Right now I'm on Procreate and I'm drawing this peace hand. That's kind of looking like this one. Yeah. You can do this when you're bored, and it's just really fun sometimes. You can do whatever you want.
So as you guys can see, I made this here, a mug brownie, which brings us on to tip number 5 in quarantine. You can cook. I am not really big of a baker, so I looked at a YouTube tutorial. I'll put the link of this tutorial down in the description below, so you guys can take a look at this and enjoy this brownie yourself. Now, this is hot right now, but once it cools, I'm gonna dig in because it is amazing. Looks like Ashley also followed what I was doing. I snuck down here and she has her own, so
Yeah.
give it a quick review, and I'll post the recipe to it down in the description below. Because cooking is something you could do in quarantine, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Taste it.
It's good.
Good? Yeah. Cooking quarantine, guys. It's good. Right, you guys, so the 6th thing on this list is starting your own business. But before we talk about our business we're starting, it's time to talk about the sponsor for this video, sportsmask.com. SportsMask is great because they have a large collection of masks ranging from colorful ones to athletic ones, and with their new buy one get 4 free package, you get the best deal for masks. There's patriotic ones and colorful masks and many to choose from. So start shopping today, and special thanks to SportsMask for sponsoring the video. Link will be in the description below.
Right, guys. So now we're talking about our business. We are making a Versatile Life merch store, which is in prototyping right now, and we're going to be making some shirts, maybe hats.
Just in the top right corner, some gentle branding on a normal shirt. And so the final thing that you could do during quarantine is gardening. Now, I'm no expert gardener. Here's our garden. You got chilies, tomatoes or tomatoes, a bunch of stuff. No expert, but I'm gonna leave a link down below to another channel who's an absolute expert at gardening. Teaches you everything, making your own fertilizer, starting your own garden, growing each kind of vegetable and specialties about it, so you can get something that just looks like this, just as amazing as this, and all of that there. I'll link that down below. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Those are 7 things you can do in quarantine. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the little notification bell so you get all notifications on my new videos. So to subscribe to me, you can click on the pop-out banner up here. And if you want to see any of my other videos, click up here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.